Landlords Insurance is a type of insurance policy designed to financially protect landlords for some of the common risks associated with renting their investment property. It's most effective when paired with building and/or contents cover. Standard building insurance covers loss or damage as a result of unexpected events, like fire or storm, but will not cover any damage as a result of malicious damage by your tenant. This is where a landlord's insurance steps in. Landlord's insurance is made up of different components. Building and/or contents insurance. This is a standard cover for your building and/or contents if damaged due to listed events. Some insurers may have an accidental damage component added in. Tenant rent default. This will cover if the tenant stops paying rent. It also provides cover for the rental amount for a set period, or until you're able to find a new tenant. It's important to note that many insurers will require you to receive a notice from your local court system to evict the tenant and for the rental amount owing. Some conditions do apply. Malicious damage and theft by tenant. This will cover for any damage or theft by the tenant, which would ordinarily not be covered under the normal building insurance. Most insurers will utilise a bond as the excess for the claim. Loss of rent. This will cover for the rent if the property is uninhabitable due to damage to the property by an insured event. Short stay landlord insurance. Keep in mind the property must be professionally managed, and this covers situations unique to holiday properties, which can include the death or serious illness of a guest and the consequent difficulty in subsequent rentals. It can additionally cover the failure to give vacant possession when a short stay tenancy is complete. These covers are currently difficult to obtain, but with more entries like Airbnb, policies should be more accessible in the future. It's important to note that on the opposite end, renters are not covered by their landlord's insurance policy. Insurers themselves offer products designed for renters, including low-cost policies. When renting, the owner of the property is responsible for the damage or loss to the building and fittings, but the renter is responsible for their own possessions, like their clothes and furniture. Alright guys, that's today's video on landlord's insurance. Hopefully there's a couple of tips there when you go to rent out your property. But once again, if you've got any questions, feel free to give the team at Able a call today. We're here to help.